Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather as we head into the weekend. And for the rest of this Friday, there is going to be a possibility for some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. You can see a little bit of rain starting to pop up early this afternoon as we just passed 2 o'clock. And again, we will see a little bit of an increase. Also watching some thunderstorms to our southeast, which are headed this way. So expect the threat of rain to increase a bit later this afternoon into the evening hours. Cause of this rain, disturbance moving through the northwestern Gulf. Doubtful this will form into a tropical depression as it's going to continue to move towards the west-northwest, and then we will settle back into hot and dry as we close the weekend. So let's take a look at tonight, and as we move through the rest of the afternoon, again, that scattered shower or thunderstorm will increase in terms of the number of those scattered storms. That activity will end this evening, and then going through tomorrow as we switch over to Futurecast, you can see the model does show a few scattered showers or thunderstorms that once again will be most numerous during the afternoon, and then this activity will decrease during the evening hours tomorrow evening, giving way to a mostly cloudy sky tomorrow night. And Sunday we begin with some clouds, but likely will end up partly cloudy as it's doubtful we'll see anything as far as rain across the Arklatex to close out the weekend on Sunday. As far as rainfall potential, it's really not much for the most part across the area. Most locations you can see covered with light blue. That's less than 1/10 of an inch. Many locations could stay totally dry, and it's possible we could see these isolated areas that pick up that 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain, but again, those should be few and far between. So that being said, your forecast for tonight is looking mostly cloudy as any rain will come to an end. We'll see a low temperature in Shreveport at 78 degrees, 75 in Texarkana, and 74 degrees in Marshall. Tomorrow, going to be looking at that chance for the scattered shower or thunderstorm. Temperatures not as hot. That's the benefit of the rain. As you can see, highs mainly in the low to middle 90s. Could have a few spots that stay in the 80s tomorrow. 92 in Shreveport, 94 in Texarkana, but 89 degrees for the high temperature in Marshall. 10-day forecast shows that as we shut off the rain, we crank up the heat back to the triple digits for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We'll see a very small chance of rain Wednesday that will increase heading towards the end of next week as daytime highs late next week will retreat back into the middle 90s.